Hello students, today we are going to learn English class 7th unit 4 in that 4.1 Under the Greenwood Tree. Poet of this poem is William Shakespeare. This poem have very deep meaning in today's world. So let's understand meaning of this poem. Now we'll see the first stanza. Under the greenwood tree, who loves to lie with me, and turn his merry note unto the sweet bird's throat. Come hither, come hither, come hither, here shall he see no enemy but winter and rough weather. Now hither means here, H-E-R-E, here. Now here the poet William Shakespeare tells us about the happiness of living in nature without fearing one's enemy. Okay, here unto, U-N-T-O, unto means towards. Here poet invites people who share his feelings to join him under the greenwood tree. Also the poet says that the people should sing merrily, happily, and listen to the cheery song of a happy bird. Cheery note means cheery song of a happy bird. Poet asks those people to come here, for they shall see no enemy, only they can see the winter and rough weather. Now next stanza. Who doth ambition shun, and loves to leave the sun, seeking the food he eats, and pleased with what he gets. Come hither, come hither, come hither, here shall he see no enemy but winter and rough weather. Now in the second stanza, dot means what? D-O-T-H. This word is used instead of does, D-O-E-S, does. Okay. Shun means what? Shun means reject, or we can say avoid. Now here poet asks those people who do not pursue ambition, who love to live in the sun and are happy with the food that they get to eat, to come there into the lap of nature. Also poet repeats that they shall see no enemy there except winter and rough weather. Now here poet says that if one deliberately avoids the ambition and lives a simple life in the lap of nature, one will be very happy and have no real enemies. Okay, the only enemies will be winter and rough weather. Now in this poem, poet invites us and asks us to remove some time from our busy life and spend some time in nature, so that we will become very happy and relaxed. Okay, so hope students you understood this poem.